Hello student, how are you? This is the fourth part of class 8 advanced math chapter 3 ratio and proportion. We have completed till number 6. Today we will start number 7. This is number 1 question. X by A equal to Y by B equal to Z by C is given. We need to prove that this equal to this. To start the solution, you know this can be done by K method. So x by A equal to Y by B equal to Z by C equal to K. Therefore, what is x equal to AK? Cross multiplication, you have the idea. Y equal to what you will get? BK and Z equal to CK. Now just simply you take the left hand side. LHS. What is LHS? A square by x square plus b square by y square plus c square by z square. We have the value of a, x, y and z, so put here. This is a square. X equal to ak, x square equal to what we will get? A square k square. For y equal to bk, so y square what we will get? B square k square. Z square equal to c square k square. See, a square cancel, b square cancels. What is left here? 1 cancel here. 1 by k square plus 1 by k square plus 1 by k square. So what we will get? 3 by k square. Now there is some mistake in RHS. What is RHS given? A square plus b square x square plus y square plus z square. It should be 3 here. So 3 is missing here, okay? So 3 we will write here. So write down 3a square plus b square plus c square. We have the value of x, y and z. So x is ak, so x square what you will write? A square k square plus b square k square plus c square k square. This is already here, write down. What is k square is common, no? What is left here? A square plus b square plus c square. So what we will get? Here. We have left hand side and right hand side is 3 by k square, 3 by k square. So what you can write? Therefore, LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Hence proved or showed what we will write. Okay. This is number 7, number 1. This given part is for 7 number 2 also, so I will leave it here and this part can be omitted now. Given part is same for number 2 also. Okay, number 2. In 7 number 2, given part is same only, we need to prove x cube by a square plus y cube by b square plus z cube by c square is equal to x plus y plus z whole cube by a plus b plus c whole square. So this is okay only, just you will simply take the left hand side. X cube by a square plus y cube by b square plus z cube by c square. Put the value of x, y and z. X cube, x is ak, so x cube will be what? A cube k cube by a square. Here b cube k cube by b square. Z equal to ck, what will I write? C cube k cube by c square. K cube is common, what is left? A plus b plus c. This is cancelled, A, this is cancelled, B, this is cancelled, C, K cube is common, this is that's all. Now check the RHS. X plus y plus z whole cube by a plus b plus c whole square. Put the value x equal to ak, y equal to bk and z equal to ck whole cube by a plus b plus c whole square. K is common inside. You should take the k common inside the bracket because whole cube is there, no? So So what we will get? A plus B plus C whole cube is still there, and A plus B plus C whole square. This cube power is on K also, and A plus B plus C also. To give the power, what will be here? K cube into A plus B plus C whole cube by A plus B plus C whole square. So this is KQ into A plus B plus C power 3 power to cancel now. See, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, and hence proved. For number 3 also given part is same, only prove that is different. The question is what prove that? Y plus Z minus X by B plus C minus A is equal to Z plus X minus Y by C plus A minus B is equal to X plus Y minus Z by A plus B minus C. Okay. There are 3 terms here, so we will not take left hand side and right hand side. We will take first expression, second expression, and third expression. Given part is same only, so it will be as it is. Take the first expression. What is first? Y plus Z minus X by B plus C minus A. Put the value Y BK, Z CK, X AK by B plus C minus A. K is common. B plus C minus A by B plus C minus A cancel. What will you get? K only. This is first expression. Now take the second one. Second expression. What you will get? What is there? Z plus X minus Y by C plus A minus B. Put the value Z equal to CK, X equal to AK, Y equal to BK, ZX, Y. Then C plus A minus B, same thing. Very easy, K is common. K is common. So C plus A minus B by C plus A minus B. What will get equal to K? Now third expression is equal to X plus Y minus Z by A plus B minus C. Put the value X AK, Y BK, and Z minus CK by A plus B minus C. What will take common? K. So A plus B minus C by A plus B minus C. So therefore, what will I? First expression is equal to second expression is equal to third expression. Instead of LHS and RHS, we will write this and hence proved. Okay, this is 7 number 3 we have completed. Okay, now 7 number 4. Again, given part is same, only proof part is different. Only number 4, X cube by A cube plus Y cube by B cube plus Z cube by C cube is equal to 3XYZ by ABC. Okay. Given part is same, so this will remain as same only. Now take the left hand side. X cube by A cube plus Y cube by B cube plus Z cube by C cube. Put the value of X, Y and Z. AK, X cube is equal to A cube, K cube by A cube plus B cube, K cube by B cube plus C cube, K cube by C cube. So cancel, KQ, how much will get? 3KQ. Now check the right hand side. 3XYZ by ABC. 3 to 3, X is AK, into Y is BK, into Z is CK, and ABC. So 3A into B into C, what you will get? ABC and K into K, what you will get? KQ by ABC cancel, what you will get? 3KQ. So we have left hand side is equal to right hand side. So number 4 completed. This is number 4 we have done. Now we will go to number 5. Again given part is same only. Proof part is different. So write what is proof? X square plus y square plus z square into a square plus b square plus c square equal to ax plus by plus cz whole square. This will remain here. Only take the left hand side. The left hand side is x square plus y square plus z square into a square plus b square plus c square. X equal to a square k square, y equal to b square k square, z equal to c square k square into a square plus b square plus c square. K square can be common, a square plus b square plus c square. This is to same only copy. A square plus b square plus c square. Now see here, k square. Same thing 2 times, so we can give a square plus b square plus c square whole square. This is all about the left hand side. Now take the right hand side. The right hand side is ax plus by plus cz whole square. This is a. X is what? Ak. For x, what we will write? A is a, x equal to ak plus b value of y is bk plus c value of z is ck whole square is still there. Here what will take common? K inside the bracket, a into a square, b into b square, c into c whole square. So this is k square, a square plus b square plus c square. See, both are same only, therefore LHS equal to RHS. So we have got the proof. That is all about number 7. Then we will go to number 8. Almost similar sum, but little bit different. We need to clean it. Okay. Now, question number 8. Number 1. What is given? A by y minus z equal to b by z minus x is equal to c by x minus y. We need to show that ax plus by plus cz equal to 0. So same k method we will start. The solution is let a by y minus z equal to b by z minus x is equal to c by x minus y is equal to k. So therefore, what is a equal to? K into y minus z. B equal to k into z minus x. C equal to k into x minus y. Let me check the camera once. चलिए हल्ला कम करिए. Okay, it's correct, it's working. Now take the left hand side. What is left hand side? Ax plus by plus cz. Put the value of a. This is x and a equal to what? K into y minus z. Y minus z. K I can write here. Understood? X. Value of a is k into y minus z. This is y. Value of b is k here into z minus x plus z. Value of c is k into x minus y. Can you say k is common in all the 3 terms? Can you see? So take out k and then remove the bracket. X into y, xy minus zx plus yz minus xy plus zx minus yz. Can you see? Minus yz plus yz minus xy plus xy minus zx So what is left? K into 0 is equal to, and this is the right hand side only. Okay? This is 7 number 1. Now 7 number 2. This time given part are different, so we need to clean it. Now 8 number 2. Question I am not writing. Just write down the given part. Let x by b plus c minus a is equal to y by c plus a minus b is equal to z by a plus b minus c. This equal to this equal to this given. So let this equal to k. And usually what we are doing from number 7 onwards only. So what we will get here? X equal to k into b plus c minus a. Y equal to k into c plus a minus b. Z equal to k into a plus b minus c. Now check the left hand side. What is left hand side? b minus c into x, b minus c into x plus c minus a into y plus a minus b into z. This is the left hand side. Now put the value. This is b minus c, and what is x equal to? K you can write here, and x equal to k into b plus c minus a, b plus c minus a. This is c minus a into y equal to what? K here write down, and c plus a minus b, c plus a minus b here, plus a minus b into z. Z equal to what? K into a plus b minus c. Take k common, then multiply b square plus bc minus ab minus bc minus c square plus ca. One line will get lengthy, just c into c square, c into a, ca, c into b minus bc, a into c minus ca, a into minus a square, a into minus plus ab, okay, plus a into a square, a into b plus ab, a into c minus ca, minus b into a minus ab minus plus minus b square minus plus bc. See, 3 2 just 6, 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Okay, plus bc minus minus ab plus ab minus b square plus b square plus bc minus bc, all will cancel only, okay, plus minus. What is left? K into 0 will be 0, which is the right hand side, okay. 8 number 2, now we can go to 8 number 3. 8 number 3, given part is completely different. Eight number 3, the given part is L by x is equal to m by y is equal to n by. This is given, and it is also given that x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square. We have two things given, okay. So this is okay, later on we will use, and this is for K method. So left hand side completely question I have not written, I will write the left hand side. So write down, this is L by x is equal to m by y is equal to n by z is given. So let this equal to k. So therefore what we will get? L equal to kx, m equal to ky, n equal to kz, okay. Now take the left hand side. Remember, this is not the left hand side, this is the given part only. This is both are the given part. Left hand side is L square by a square plus m square by b square plus n square by c square, okay. put the value of L. L is kx, so L square equal to k square x square by a square. M equal to k by e, so k square y square by b square. N equal to kz, so k square, this is n, okay. K square z square by c square. Can you see k square common all the three terms? So take out k square. What will left here? X square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square. So k square into this value is already given here 1. So we can write k square. This is the left hand side. Now check the right hand side. What is right hand side? L square plus m square plus n square by simple only x square plus y square plus z square. You need to put only the value of L, m and n. Put the value k square x square, L equal to kx, so L square equal to m equal to ky, to k square y square, k square z square. And here x square plus y square plus z square, again k square is common, so x square plus y square plus z square by x square plus y square plus z square. So see, left hand side is also k square, right hand also k square, so we can write left hand side equal to right hand side, okay. This is 8 number 3 we have done. Then 8 number 4 now. 8 number 4. What is given? X by b plus c is equal to y by c plus a equal to z by a plus b. Question I am not writing. These three are equal given, so we can again let this equal to k. We are doing k method. So therefore, what we will get? X equal to k into b plus c. What we will get? Y equal to k into c plus a. What we will get? Z equal to k into a plus b. Okay. Now, what is the left hand side? There are not left hand side here. There are again three expressions. So take the first expression. So write down first expression is equal to what? y plus z minus x. This is a. Put the value of y, k into c plus a plus z, k into a plus b minus x, k into b plus c. This is a, k is common. What is left here? C plus a, very easy. Just you have to be careful. Then k is already common. What is here? Plus a plus b. K is already common. When minus will add, the sign will change, b minus c. So minus b plus b minus c plus c cancel now. So a by k into twice a. Twice a k you can write, okay. So a cancel, finally what is the answer? 1 by twice k. This is about the first expression. Now second expression. Second expression is b by y, z plus x, z plus x minus y. So b or z equal to k into a plus b plus x equal to k into b plus c minus y equal to k into c plus a is equal to b by k is common. K is common. What you will get? A plus b plus c, a plus b plus c minus c minus a minus c plus c minus a. So what you will get? B by twice b into k. B to cancel 1 by twice k. This is also 1 by twice k. This is also 1 by twice k. Now take the third expression. Third expression is what? C by x plus y minus z. C by x plus y minus z. C only. X value is k into b plus c plus y value is k into c plus a minus z value is k into a plus b. K common, b plus c plus a minus b. So c by minus b plus b minus a plus a twice c into k. C cancel. What we get? 1 by twice k. See, the first expression when after simplification, what we have got? 1 by twice a k. Second expression 1 by twice k. Third expression 1 by twice k. So all the three expressions are equal. Therefore, you can write first expression is equal to second expression is equal to third expression. Hence proved. One more sum is there in 8 number 5. What is number 5? What is given? M square plus n square into x square plus y square is equal to given mx plus ny whole square. We need to prove that, we need to show that x by m is equal to y by n. This is very simple. Just simplify here. M square x square plus m multiply m square y square plus n square x square plus n square y square. M square x square, m square y square, n square x square, n square. This is a plus b whole square, no? Mx plus ny whole square. So a plus b whole square formula is a squared plus twice ab plus b square. Okay, n square y square cancel, m square x square cancel. What is left here? M square my whole square. This is nx whole square. Transpose this side. Minus 2 mx ny. Everything is here. So this side nothing, 0. This is my whole square. Write down this one first. Minus 2. Can you write m into y together? My nx. Same thing, no? M n x y. This is also m n x y. According to this, we will try to arrange. And this in the last. Nx whole square. Can you see the form? Suppose this is a and this is b. We have a square minus twice ab plus b square. So obviously this is a, this is a, this is b minus b whole square. If whole square equal to 0, when you will remove the root square sign, this is also 0. M by minus x equal to 0. What you will get? M by equal to nx. So this is y by n and x transposing into will become divide x by m. We have gotten same thing only, but in write down properly. X by m is equal to y by n. So we have completed number 7 and number 8. Okay, all the sums. In the next class we will complete the exercise. Today till here only. Okay, so this is try to understand, practice from here. If you have any doubt, you can ask and message me. Some of you are still have not subscribed the channel, so please subscribe the channel. See you in the next class. Bye bye.